The DJI Mavic 3 is finally official, and it comes with a ton of major upgrades and amazing new features. So let's see how it compares to the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe. And the first striking thing about the Mavic 3 is that DJI actually managed the feat of making the drone lighter by a whole 12 grams while packing a heap of improvements. And the first most important improvement over the 2 Pro is that this is the first foldable consumer drone to offer a dual camera setup comprising a prime lens and a telephoto lens, while the Mavic 2 is limited to one sensor. And while they are both made by iconic Swedish camera maker Hasselblad, this upgraded camera setup with a 4x3-inch CMOS main sensor offers a huge bump up in terms of resolution, picture quality, and most importantly, better low light performance thanks to the bigger sensor allowing more light in. Moreover, this new camera also offers a huge upgrade when it comes to field of view, with an 84 degrees field of view to capture more details with sharp clarity, and a wide lens accessory can further increase this field of view to up to 108 degrees. In contrast, the Mavic 2 Pro's field of view is around the 77 degrees mark. The Mavic 3 also features much more advanced safety systems, with improved obstacle sensing and navigation systems, plus a new tracking system with an infrared sensor at the bottom of the aircraft, keeping your precious drone from crashing into trees or other tricky obstacles. Both drones come with omnidirectional object sensing, but the Mavic 3 has expanded capabilities in this department. But the rebooted ActiveTrack 5.0 allows Mavic 3 to move with the subject as it moves forward, backward, left, right, and diagonally, and fly alongside as well as around a moving subject. In addition, if the subject moves too fast and temporarily goes out of the frame, the visual sensors on the aircraft will continue to track and frame the subject intelligently and pick it back up when it reappears. These new directions enable much more fluid and diverse drone and camera movement while using this rebooted version of ActiveTrack. Transmission is also significantly improved on the Mavic 3 compared to the Mavic 2 Pro. The Mavic 3 uses the upgraded DJI O3 Plus transmission system, a rebooted and enhanced version of the Mavic 2's OcuSync 2.0. This means greater transmission distance, with the Mavic 3 able to reach as far as 15 kilometers compared to the Mavic 2 Pro's 10 kilometers. This enables the Mavic 3 to fly further and transmit signals with higher stability and less video lag for an ever smoother, stable, and clear video transmission. In fact, Mavic 3 is DJI's first drone that offers a high frame rate transmission with a 1080p 60 fps live feed. This means the camera view is displayed at a resolution close to what the camera actually records. In contrast, the Mavic 2 Pro's remote controller delivers a live view quality of 720p at 30 fps or 1080p at 30 fps. And the last major upgrade is the autonomy. While you could fly the Mavic 2 Pro only for 31 minutes, the Mavic 3 drone offers a whopping maximum flight time of 46 minutes, which puts it amongst some of the best consumer drones in that regard. But it has a price, $2,200, which make it clearly aimed at professional drone pilots, given its pricing. So to sum up, what we liked about the Mavic 3 is the 4/3 CMOS sensor, the 46-minute flight time, the 5.1K 50p video with 10-bit colors, and finally the 1080p 60 fps live feed. What we didn't really like is that it has only a digital zoom, no optical zoom, and no mechanical shutter on the main camera, the lack of sophisticated photo settings, and the hefty price tag.